Ah, the telltale scent of a gas leak, the fragrance no one wants wafting through their home. Whether it's an unlit stove burner or a more serious leak, that unmistakable smell can put a damper on your day and leave you feeling uneasy. There's no need to panic. In this video, we'll guide you on how to get rid of gas smell and restore aromatic harmony to your abode. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Ventilate the area. Ventilation is important because it helps to quickly disperse and dilute the gas odor, making the space safer and more comfortable. First, open all the doors and windows in the room or area where you've detected the gas smell. By doing this, you create a cross breeze that allows fresh air to flow in and the gas odor to flow out. For example, if the gas smell is in your kitchen, open the kitchen window as well as any nearby doors or windows to create a draft. Next, if you have any exhaust fans available, turn them on to help speed up the process. Exhaust fans work by sucking out the stale, contaminated air and replacing it with fresh air from outside. You might have exhaust fans in your kitchen, bathroom, or even in your garage. If you don't have a built-in exhaust fan, use a portable fan to help circulate the air. Simply place the fan near an open window or door, facing outward, to help pull the gas smell outside. Turn off gas appliances and sources. Shut off the gas supply valve. The gas supply valve is typically a small, round knob located near the gas meter outside your home or near the appliance that uses gas. To shut off the valve, use a wrench and turn the valve clockwise, or to the right, until it's in the off position. Remember, when the valve is parallel to the gas pipe, it's open, and when it's perpendicular, it's closed. By shutting off the gas supply valve, you're stopping the flow of gas to your home, preventing further leaks or issues. Next, go inside and turn off any gas appliances you have, like stoves, heaters, or gas fireplaces. To do this, simply turn the knobs or dials on the appliances to the off position. For example, if you have a gas stove, make sure all the burners and the oven are turned off. If you have a gas heater, turn the dial to the off position and make sure the pilot light is extinguished. Locate and fix the gas leak, if applicable. Visually inspect the gas lines and connections in your home. You can start by checking the areas near your gas appliances, like your stove, heater, or water heater. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as cracks or breaks in the gas lines, or loose connections. If you spot any issues, make a note of them, but avoid touching or attempting to fix the problem yourself. Next, use a gas leak detector or a soapy water solution to check for leaks. A gas leak detector is a handheld device that can detect the presence of gas in the air. Turn on the detector and follow the manufacturer's instructions to test the areas near your gas lines and appliances. Alternatively, you can mix some dish soap with water in a spray bottle and spray it on the gas lines and connections. If there's a leak, you'll see bubbles forming where the gas is escaping. If you do find a gas leak, contact a professional technician to repair it. Do not attempt to fix the leak yourself, as this can be dangerous and may result in further damage. Call your gas company or a licensed plumber who specializes in gas line repairs to handle the situation safely and correctly. Use absorbent materials to neutralize the smell. First, grab some baking soda, which is a great natural deodorizer. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on the affected surfaces, such as countertops, floors, or carpets. Let the baking soda sit for a few hours, or even overnight if the smell is strong. Baking soda works by absorbing the odor molecules, effectively neutralizing the smell. After it has sat for a while, simply vacuum or sweep up the baking soda and dispose of it. Another option is to use activated charcoal or coffee grounds. Both of these materials are excellent at absorbing odors. Place the activated charcoal in shallow bowls or open containers and distribute them around the affected area. Leave the charcoal out for a few days, allowing it to absorb the gas odor. If you prefer to use coffee grounds, simply spread used or fresh coffee grounds on a baking sheet or in a shallow container and place it in the area with the gas smell. Like activated charcoal, allow the coffee grounds to sit for a few days to effectively absorb the odor. Clean affected surfaces and fabrics. Create a mild soap and warm water solution for cleaning hard surfaces. Apply the solution to a cloth or sponge and gently scrub the affected surfaces, such as countertops, floors, or walls. Make sure to rinse the surfaces with clean water afterward to remove any soap residue. This step will help eliminate any remaining gas odor on hard surfaces. Next, tackle any fabrics or clothing that have absorbed the gas smell. Gather the affected items and launder them using your usual detergent. If the smell is particularly strong, you can add a cup of white vinegar to the wash cycle, which acts as a natural deodorizer. Make sure to dry the items thoroughly by hanging them outside to air dry. This will ensure the gas smell is completely gone. Lastly, if you're dealing with stubborn odors that won't go away, consider using an enzyme-based cleaner. Enzyme cleaners work by breaking down the odor-causing molecules, effectively eliminating the smell. Follow the instructions on the cleaner's label for application and usage. These cleaners can be especially helpful for carpets, upholstery, and other porous surfaces where the gas smell may have seeped in. Use air purifiers. Purchase an air purifier equipped with a HEPA filter and activated carbon. HEPA filters are great at trapping small particles, while activated carbon filters specifically target odors, including gas smells. Place the air purifier in the room or area where the gas smell is most noticeable. Let it run for a few hours or even days, depending on the severity of the odor. The air purifier will work to filter out the gas odor and improve overall air quality in your home. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.